Husqvarna's hot, right? So that means it's not going to start. Have you ever had that problem? Well, I don't have that problem anymore. Mine will start right up. Stand by and I'm going to show you what I mean. All right, so here we go. What I have here is my Husqvarna 445. I've allowed it to cool down so that I can pull it apart here a little more comfortably. You can see this is got the X-Torque engine. It's an actual Husqvarna. You can also tell 2 ports here. Husqvarnas typically have these 2 ports or even a 3rd port. As you know, Husqvarna also makes Poulan. Poulans are crap. They're branded Husqvarnas. They're the low-end consumer grades. You don't want one of those. But anyway, back to the hard starts. Believe me, I've had this for about 10 years. And for about 8 of those years, I was really unhappy with my saw once it got hot. Cold starts weren't a problem for me. But what can we do about that? Well, let me show you. When you take a look at the engine here, here's my air filter, here's the engine, carburetor's in here, right? In between the air filter and the head, this gets really, really hot, okay? I think you know that. But what happens is that because the carburetor is so close to the head and the heat, what happens is that when you turn off the chainsaw, the gas that's in there gets heated up from here, and it turns into a mist, or it's no longer a liquid. It turns more into a gaseous state, and you get vapor lock, and the damn thing just will not start. You can pull and pull and pull, and you've probably been through that already. But this is what you can do. See this right here? I did this. Nothing special about this. You can see what that is there. This is just HVAC tape, metal HVAC tape. Take you a little bit of metal HVAC tape, break you off a piece, about the yay big, and you stick it in there, in between the head and the carburetor, and voila, no more hard starts. It worked for me. Hopefully it'll work for you, and hopefully you'll love your Husqvarna again. I know I sure like mine. Anyway, hope this was helpful. Have a good day.